Are you looking for an easy and fast way to build your credit this year? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your credit fast with a Kickoff account. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Hey y'all, welcome back to Tiara Talks Finance. If you're new here, welcome to the channel that's going to teach you how to reach your financial goals through financial literacy. If you're not new here, thank you for being a part of the community. So let's get into how to build your credit fast with Kickoff. Kickoff products address all the major factors of your credit score, from payment history, credit utilization, account age, and credit mix. Together, these factors make up 90% of your credit score. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. It is the single most important factor in your score. It looks at whether you've paid past credit bills on time. Kickoff credit account and credit builder loan both contribute to your monthly payment history. Credit utilization makes up 30% of your credit score. It is how much credit you're using divided by your credit limit. The lower this ratio, the better. Experts recommend below 10%. New members to Kickoff starts with typically seeing 5% utilization on their credit account. That means that's excellent. Account ages makes up 15% of your credit score. It is the average age of all your credit accounts. The Kickoff credit account never expires, so keeping it open will continue to grow your credit over time. Credit mix makes up 10% of your credit score. It means you can manage different types of credit products such as car loans, credit cards, student loans, installment loans, and more. Kickoff members can have up to 2 different types of accounts to help their credit mix. One of the best things about Kickoff is they believe in helping you build your credit easily, so they don't check your personal credit score to see if you're approved for an account. So let's go ahead and get right into what a Kickoff account can be used for. A Kickoff account is an online lender that offers revolving lines of credit of up to $500 to help you improve your personal credit. You can use the line of credit to make purchases only through Kickoff's online store. If you get a line of credit through Kickoff, you'll make monthly payments that can help build your personal credit over time. Kickoff says they are committed to offering equal rights and financial opportunity by helping people build their personal credit. The lender reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, which are Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, depending on which Kickoff account you have. Kickoff is a good option for people who are looking to build their credit, especially if you don't have much or no credit reporting, or if you're looking to rebuild your credit. With a Kickoff account, it can boost your credit score by giving you a boost on your payment history. Kickoff reports monthly payments to the credit bureaus. Having a Kickoff account can help grow your average account age as well. The older accounts are, the better. With your Kickoff account, your credit account will never expire, so keeping it open will continue to increase your average account age. A Kickoff account will optimize your credit utilization, and of course, the smaller your ratio for your credit usage to your credit limit, the better. With your Kickoff account, you decide how much you spend and how many months of payment history to build. There's no minimum time, and you can pay your balance in full at any time. With Kickoff account, they will automatically settle your balance on time every month, and it will guarantee you build your payment history and your personal credit. Let's go over how does Kickoff work. Members will pay a $2 monthly membership to access Kickoff's credit building tools. There's a $0 additional fees and $0 interest. All members receive a Kickoff credit account, which is specifically designed to help you build personal credit by having very low utilization at a 5% or lower, and to build long-term payment history. Members can qualify for additional credit tools such as getting a credit builder loan. Getting a membership with Kickoff is a 12-month commitment and they are renewed every year, but you can cancel your membership at any time and pay off your remaining balance on your Kickoff account. With your Kickoff account, a standard membership is only reported to Equifax and Experian, and a credit builder loan reports to TransUnion and Equifax. All members with Kickoff credit account will get a revolving credit line, and it comes with a standard $500 credit limit automatically. A mix of account types is great for your credit, which will qualify you to also open the credit builder loan account with Kickoff. With the Kickoff credit account, this is reporting as a revolving account, which means it will report onto your personal credit reports as a credit card with a credit limit of $500. Additionally, if you add the Kickoff credit builder loan, it will report to your personal credit as an installment account, which is great for building better payment history. Either way, both of these accounts are great to have because your personal credit is factored mostly by installment accounts as well as your revolving accounts. If you open up an account with Kickoff, it can take up to 6 weeks for Kickoff to show up on your credit report, depending on when in the month you sign up. Kickoff reports everyone's payments at the end of every month. After that, the credit bureaus can take up to 2 weeks before reporting your Kickoff account activity to your credit reports. With your Kickoff account, you can receive a free credit report each month to make sure you keep track of your progress and how their Kickoff account is helping your credit reports. If you're ready to start building your credit today with Kickoff, down below in the description I have the link directly to their website. You can go ahead and click it down below to get started today. That's going to bring us to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and let me know down in the comments if you're going to sign up for Kickoff. Be sure to stick around to learn more ways of how to build your credit fast. This is Tiara Talks Finance, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.